The Robot Magic Blender 5500 watts 240 volts blends your things very easy as ABC. You can blend your groundnut, you can blend your egusi, you can blend your ginseng, you can blend your country onions with a small cup. You can also blend anything dry with a small cup. You can also blend any other thing that you cannot blend with the normal blenders that you have. Around 5500 watts. You can get it only at the price of 32,000 francs CFA. The big jar anchor, you can use it to blend your fruits, to do your fruit juice, to do your pineapple juice, to do your smoothie. You can use it to blend your spices. You can use it to blend your fresh pepper, your tomatoes. You can use it to blend anything fresh. You can use it to mince your meat. You can use it to pound your cocoyam for your equan. Get it today at the price of 32,000 francs only. Super Robot Magic Blender. Only Yidi exists for this Cameroon. Get your own today. It is made in France and it is original copper quality. You can use it to mince your meat. As you can see, you are mincing the meat easy as ABC.